Welcome to the Feel Your Life's Vision Come True guided meditation for manifestation. Find a comfortable position and take a moment to settle in. In this transformative meditation, we will embark on a journey of manifestation, aligning our energy with the vision of our ideal life. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, allowing the air to fill your lungs. As you exhale, release any tension or stress, letting go of the outside world. Feel yourself becoming more present and centered. Imagine yourself standing at the threshold of your dream life. Visualize it vividly, as if you are stepping into a movie of your own creation. See the vibrant colors, feel the textures, and hear the sounds of this magnificent reality. As you step into this vision, feel the excitement and joy pulsating through your body. Every cell is vibrating with the energy of manifestation. Take a moment to embrace this feeling, knowing that you are co-creating your reality. Now, imagine a beam of golden light descending upon you, enveloping your entire being. This light represents the universal energy of manifestation, supporting and guiding you towards your dreams. Feel its warmth and loving presence surrounding you. Take a deep breath and affirm, "I am aligned with the energy of manifestation. My dreams are coming true with ease and grace. I am open to receiving the abundance that flows to me." Now, visualize your dreams manifesting in specific areas of your life. See yourself thriving in your career, enjoying harmonious relationships, experiencing vibrant health, and achieving financial abundance. Feel the emotions associated with these manifestations. As you hold these visions, notice any limiting beliefs or doubts that arise. Acknowledge them and then release them into the light. Affirm, "I release any doubts or fears that hinder my manifestations. I am worthy of my dreams, and I trust in the divine timing of their manifestation." Now, bring your attention to your heart center. Visualize a radiant ball of light glowing in your chest. This is the seat of your desires and intentions. Feel the energy of your dreams expanding and radiating from your heart. Take a moment to express deep gratitude for the manifestations that are already present in your life. Gratitude amplifies the power of manifestation and opens your heart to receive even more blessings. Feel a sense of appreciation and joy. Now, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently stretching your body. Carry the energy of manifestation with you throughout your day, knowing that you are on the path to living your dream life. As we come to the end of this meditation, remember that you have the power to manifest your desires. Trust in the process, stay aligned with your vision, and take inspired action towards your dreams. Namaste.